Hi, it's Morgan from WTI, and I love these drinking cups from Amazing Abby. This 4-pack of insulated plastic tumblers from Amazing Abby is just what you've been needing. These cups are incredible for so many things. We have been using these constantly in our home. They are such a great cup. They are so versatile. They're extremely durable. I like how lightweight they are. They're easy to carry around the house. It's chilly right now where we are, but we know in the summertime we'll be bringing these out on the patio. I love these cups so much. Something else that's amazing is they are dishwasher safe, which is always a plus and kind of a need in my house. As soon as you're done, you can throw them right in and they will last. I really love that about them. Of course, since they are clear, they can go anywhere in your home. If you like to display your cups or your wine glasses for decor, this is great. It'll go with anything. I like to put my cups on my shelves in my kitchen, and these look really great there too. I love these cups, and that's my point of view.